case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2009 Missouri Court of Appeals case, Maddick v. DeShon, Roberta DeShon appealed her ex-husband Joseph Maddick's motion to terminate spousal maintenance payments after her remarriage. The couple's marriage dissolved in 2003, with the judgment stipulating that Joseph would pay Roberta $500 per month in modifiable maintenance. In 2004, they agreed that maintenance should be increased to $750 per month for 7 years as non-modifiable contractual maintenance, terminating upon Roberta's death, or September 30th, 2011, whichever came first. However, Roberta remarried on September 29, 2007, leading Joseph to file a motion to terminate the maintenance payments. The central issue in the case was whether maintenance payments should continue after the recipient spouse remarried. The Court of Appeals ultimately affirmed the termination of payments, holding that the stipulation between the former spouses failed to extend maintenance beyond Roberta's remarriage. This made it insufficient to rebut the statutory presumption and rendered extrinsic evidence inappropriate. The trial court had erred in relying on stricken language when making its decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.